Go.
Ready?
Yep. Okay, now go away from me.
We need a sideways shot too.
Yep.
Are you taking pictures?
Send to the vet. Good pivot, Nick.
Oh, that really shows a lot.
That looks real nice. Now his head bobbing land. I'm gonna come out off the grass and try.
No, do it on the pavement.
This way.
No, I want side view, ding dong.
You stand over there. I'm gonna come off. Oh. Ding dong, bitch. Now his head bobbing land. That head pivot. Did you see that pivot?
Just do what I ask. Turn him around a little bit. Pivot him this way. Yeah, it's the left one.
I've been telling you that.
Okay, just shut your mouth.
Right, go to the right.
Just go. Shut up.
Go where?
Down the driveway.